Today, I'm going to share with you all how I do chicken foot soup. I start by seasoning my chicken foot first with our local green seasonings. Putting it aside, let it marinate a little bit before we start the soup. So we're going to use some chive, garlic, Chadon beni, and pimento to season, salt, and black pepper. Use our hands and mix. And just allow the chicken foot to marinate for just about 10 or 15 minutes before we start the soup. So now we have seasoned our chicken feet. We're going to start the soup now. So I'm going to add the seasoned chicken foot to the water, to the boiling water. Scrape out all that seasoning there. Perfect soup for the rainy weather. And we're going to add bay leaf and our sprigs of thyme. All right, bring this to a boil, and then we will add all our other ingredients. All right, now that our mixture is boiling, we want to add our split peas puree. The split peas is to add both taste and texture to the soup. Pumpkin, carrots, potato, some butter. The butter is optional. I just like butter in my soup. Remember, we would have put salt in the seasoning for the chicken foot. So, just have to be careful how we add in now. Give a stir. Right, with the split peas, I would have boiled it before until it's tender and then blend it in the blender till it's smooth. Then added it to the soup. Doing it that way, you can kind of control how much split peas you put to not have the soup when it's finished too clumpy. Once the provisions are cooked, then we add our dumplings. Right, now that our provisions and chicken foot are cooked, we want to add the dumplings now. Right, I had the dumplings made from before. Just flour and water and a little bit of salt. And you knead and roll out and cut. I like my dumplings cut small, but you could roll it or do it like how I did. Roll it and cut it. I like to finish with a little Chadon beni. You know, that keeps the Chadon beni flavor of the soup. Just a little bit. And we allow the dumplings to cook and serve.